Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I haven't been uploading videos recently. I've been doing a lot of stuff recently since I just got a job. But this is about just installed the Sharp Comfort Touch window air conditioner. It is a 12,000 BTU window unit. Man, nice cold. The foam filter in there. I installed it in earlier today. It is currently like 9 o'clock. Here we go. Close all data. I couldn't really put the spot here. Here's the GMCC compressor. Nice, it already has a drain hole built in. These are actually designed to hold water in them. The smaller units usually don't have drain holes because they don't condensate that much. Don't need it. Simply just don't need the drain hole because they don't condensate that quick like a 10,000 or 12K BTU unit like this. This thing condensates like crazy on a nice hot day. But right now, she's running. It just started up a little bit ago. House is warm. Let's go check out the other AC it's going. I have 2 Sharps I'm running. This one is a portable AC. I'm going to switch to... I can't switch to the other camera. Oh, by the way, I'm recording on my brand new iPhone 13. Here is a Sharp portable air conditioner. This is a 10,000 BTU unit. R22. Still got some good refrigerant. Still great charges. Blowing nice cold also. I mean, I gotta say, this is one of the most effective portable ACs I've ever had. Like, it actually cools, which I like about it. It's actually, the motors are on an inverter. So it runs the condenser fan very slow. So you're sucking a bunch of your cold air back outside very quick. I was blowing cold air fast and making more cold air than sucking it out. But I'm gonna rotate it. You can see the back. That vent right there is actually the air vent to cool the fan motors. That's where the actual fans cool the motors themselves. This is a part, there's actually a little vent. It uses the blower to cool the fan motors. They're completely sealed motors, but they are silent, which they are, because they're on an inverter. But this also has the drain plugs actually down here for the condensate pan. This one, no, it's this gray piece. It's actually a diverter valve. Right now, where I have it, it's in its open position. But this is for pumping water for your dehumidifier for continuous drainage. I hear it running the pump right now. but here's the data tag. Come on, focus. It is 9 amps. It's not too bad for portable AC. Especially a 10,000 BTU unit. I've seen a 6,000 BTU LG that uses almost the same amount of power as this. 6,000 BTUs. Talk about energy efficiency. And way newer LG too. My sister has it. Uses about the similar amount of amp. Pulls about the same amount of current as this. Uses about 8.6 amps. This is a 9 amp. This is pretty low powered for our 22. I mean, the coils aren't that thick. It's 2-layer, but it certainly blows nice enough. So the plasma cluster, the little cage there is the air ionizer. That's what this indicator's for. I have it on Mega Cool. So it's what Mega Cool is. By the way, wondering how you change the settings on this. You have to have the remote control. It's like a mini split. It has a little display. Let's switch it to regular cooling. Now the fan ramp back down. That was very quiet. Here, I'll go get the other AC shut off so I can hear how quiet this little portable unit is. Pressure is very quiet too. You hear a splashing noise. That's the recirculation pump circulating water back on the condenser coil. The coils are just right here at the front. This is the air return. Not spinning that fast. Man, it kicks out a good amount of air for a low RPM. It's probably designing the blowers. They're just a large size. But let's switch it back to Mega Cool. See how much louder it is, because it actually ramps the condenser fan up at first. There we go. Green light's on. And just adjusted the exposure. There we go. This room's actually pretty dark, but I'm adjusting my exposure up. Still checking out the camera on my new iPhone. I haven't checked out all the features yet, but that's not what the video was about. It's about these AC units. I have this LG 10,000 BTU unit. This thing is huge. It's physically its size. This should be a 15K unit, but really it's a 10K. And it's a 2-layer evaporator coil too, so I don't have it plugged in. I'm running this time. Very quiet. It runs pretty efficient too. Put it back down to normal cooling. Come on. There we go. All right. Actually, let's start this AC up. Switch it to low fan. tell how loud it is with the compressor off. The fan actually ramps itself down quite a lot because of the compressor, the draw of it. Get this light. I don't think it's really seen it condensate that much, but got the remote. I'll probably do a cleaning videos on this AC unit. So I ran this most of this summer. This AC rips, so. Okay, switch it to cool. There's the compressor. See how the fan slowed down more? Now it runs pretty quiet. On energy save. So energy save does, it cuts the power to the fan when the thermostat is satisfied with the temperature of the room. So when it gets cold enough, it will kick the fan off automatically. So you save more energy. Alright. What's also cool about this portable, back to the portable AC, what's also interesting about it, come on, focus. It labels what modes you have with the icons. You got cool, dehumidify, fan, and vent. What a vent does, it runs only the condenser fan in front of the exhaust fan. You got also Mega Cool and Auto Fan. Here's the button for the plasma cluster, the air ionizer. But yeah, I'll show you the filters on this too. Here's the upper, there's two of them. They're getting a little dirty. Here's the bottom. To the condenser coil. Man, I say it runs amazing though. Alright. I think this will conclude my video. It's late. It's starting to get late. I will do a more in-depth video of this running in the daytime. Better start up so you get a better view of these units running. I'll probably show the LG running tomorrow. But yeah. This thing's blowing nice cold still. It's an R410A unit, by the way. They're basically Frigidairs. Because I have a 10K Frigidaire. It's around the same year. Maybe a couple years newer. But it's identical. Same, different, but the same. Except this is a 12K BT unit. Alright, this will conclude my video for tonight. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. Feel free to leave a comment down below. And thanks for watching.